Welcome to Granby, Colorado. So if you've been following us for a little while, you know that on our birthdays we have to do something, let's say a little out of the ordinary, right? And this year we've decided to try skiing out for the first time.
That's too fast for me.
All right, you ready? It says death possible, but you ready for this?
I laughed in the face of death.
What's going on here?
Just having a little rest.
Oh yeah?
This week, join us on the slopes while we experience some epic falls, some extraordinary winds, and of course, some gorgeous Colorado mountain views.
How you feeling?
Right now I'm just excited. I'm not feeling nervous. I probably will feel nervous when we get to the slope that is behind us.
I feel like that kid in the Christmas Story where I have so many layers on, I can hardly move. I'm like waddling here. Hopefully we can stay warm at least.
You don't even have your final jacket on.
I don't.
How's it going? Can you put your arms down? I can't put my arms down.
How are those snowshoes working for you?
It's so awkward. I feel like I need to use my arms as leverage.
Get a run and go. Just build momentum.
So we have officially rented all of our gear. Fun fact, we found a place in Golden, Colorado called Mountain Threads where you can rent ski clothes. So if you're like us, you just want to try out skiing, you can rent ski jackets, ski pants, ski gloves, and ski goggles, all from there. And then here at Granby, where we're taking our ski lessons, we did a helmet, ski pole, and ski boot rental. Not only are we all geared up, but we are all set up with Andrew Cam. Check it out.
Drew Cam, coming live.
Coming to you from Andrew Cam. Let's see what we can get on this. Adult ski school. I think I'm ready.
Ski school quite literally got off to a pretty slow start.
Skiing to you.
You got this. You're coming in too hot. Slow down, slow down. When I imagined skiing in Colorado, I did not imagine myself getting passed up by 3 and 4 year olds or having to get on what we call a magic carpet to soothe my sore legs within the first hour. However, I am grateful for it. You made it.
I'm so ready to take this. I don't even care. It feels so good. I just want someone to scratch my head. All right, so we conquered this. Now it's time to conquer that.
Dun dun dun.
I'm not gonna lie, I was more scared of the chairlift than I was the actual slope, but our instructor assured us he had a 99% success rate on the lift. Let's see how we do.
No! Yep. That's alright, that's awesome. By the way, this is our instructor Sean. He has been amazing and super patient as he helped us all get back up on our feet after falling off the chairlift. And now he's taking us down the slope, showing us how to nail those turns.
For our final run with our instructor present, we have one goal and one goal only. That is to master this chairlift.
got it. Good job, baby. This is the first time without the instructor. How are you feeling?
Good.
Feeling good? Yeah? You ready to shred?
Something like that.
All right, let's go.
Do it.
Good job, baby.
I went snail speed.
It's all good. First time, right?
I didn't fall.
Exactly. Doing great.
All right, Andrew's going down one more time. Let's find him on the slope. There he goes. That one's him.
Woo. Wow.
Epic.
That's pretty fun. All right, we are ending our day. Lift is closing at 4 p.m. Yeah, how was it?
Day 1 Chronicles. I feel like I could have done better.
I think you did great. It's our first time, literally our first time ever on skis, right? You did great. You got down the mountain and you went last time without falling at all. So you did great.
I did.
I'd kiss
How are
you,
you
but
feeling?
our lips might get stuck
No, we can
together.
do it.
Yeah. Oh, they're warm. I loved it. I definitely, this is a hobby I definitely want to pick up. What are some things that you wish you knew before today, like getting started?
I mean, I really feel like it's all about trust. Like, the lessons were easy.
Yeah.
It's when you get in your head and you stop trusting because you have to lean forward. And there's something about leaning forward that seems counterintuitive
Fall forward.
to what you normally do. And so it's really all about trust.
100%. I wish that we knew that we didn't have to wear 4 layers when the sun is out in Colorado. It's like 36 degrees. We're from Florida, so we thought we were gonna be freezing. We're actually pretty cold now that we're in the shade.
Yeah.
But we were pure just sweat, and they were laughing at us because they're like, how many layers do you all have on? And we were trying to take layers off. They're like, you have too many layers of socks on. So they said 1 layer of sock is fine when it's nice and 36 degrees and the sun's out.
Yeah.
They said especially when you're wearing snow snow boots. And then they said 2 layers or 3 max is
Especially
good.
pants. We have 3 pairs of pants on, and they said really just long johns and ski pants.
Yeah.
You have 4 pairs of
Yeah.
pants on.
All right, well, that's day 1 for you.
Let's go find some food.
Let's go find some food and
We'll catch you
see you
on
on
day
2.
Good morning from day 2 at Granby Ranch, and happy birthday to Andrew!
Woo! It's my
Are you having
birthday.
the best birthday?
I'm having a very good birthday. The best, I don't know, I've had some pretty epic
I was
birthdays.
about to say, it's probably hard to rank the best.
Yeah, but this is a very good birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
So, we are about to get ready to hit the slopes for day 2 of skiing, this time with no lessons.
No lessons, no instructor. We're just out there.
Roaming the slopes.
Watch out.
For real, watch out. So we thought we would take a moment to tell you a little bit about Granby Ranch and kind of why we chose Granby Ranch as well. We actually got the tip ourselves from a local, one of my friends, because 1, it's a great beginner's ski slope and we are beginners.
Yeah.
And 2, because it is a smaller ski ranch, we get perks and benefits like shorter wait lines, less crowds, which is actually quite nice for beginner skiers because we're not fighting. Well, there was one moment yesterday where I almost collided into someone.
I wish I got that on camera.
But I think that there would be a lot more at a much busier ranch, right? So
Yes,
it was quite
absolutely.
nice. So overall, so far, we really like our choice. Plus, not to mention, it's freaking beautiful.
It is. This view is amazing.
So let us hit you with a few stats about Granby itself.
So what makes it different, for example, Breckenridge, right, is almost 30,000 acres. And Granby Ranch is 600 acres. Right? So there's a very, very big difference. I think 400 acres of Granby Ranch is skiable. So a very drastic difference right there of size. And if you're coming from somewhere like Florida, where we're at sea level, fun fact is that Granby Ranch's elevation is actually 9,200 feet. There's trails for everyone. So there's trails from beginner, intermediate, black diamond, and even double black diamond, which I'm not sure our 4-hour ski lesson is actually has built us up to the double black diamond, but we'll see how we do today. Overall, we are super pleased with Granby Ranch and the experience here, and I've had a whole lot of fun and looking forward to having some more. What about you?
Oh, I'm so pumped. I'm ready for today.
Feeling a little sore from yesterday still?
I'm feeling extremely sore from yesterday, and I'm ready for today.
Perfect. I love it. All right.
Let's go get ready.
Let's go.
And we made it to the slopes. And this time, it's Megan Cam today. Say hi.
All right, we're gonna record some epic falls or some epic jumps.
I'm not sure about jumps. How about some epic runs?
All right, some epic runs on Megan Cam.
Let's see if I can remember how to put these things on again today.
Look, it's professional over here. Skied up and ready to roll. We're ready to slide, or ready to go. Zoom.
Okay.
We're doing our first run today, day 2. No ski lessons, just us in the mountain.
Megan first.
Megan's up first.
That's too fast for you.
After several rounds on the bunny hills, we decided it was time to try a brand new mountain. We didn't quite know what we were in for, though.
Oh. How do we both get off at the same time? Should we just ride it back down? The air feels thinner up here. Oh my god, we're not there yet. I can't even see it. I see the end. The end is in sight. Oh my god. Lean forward. Yeah. So we made it to the top of, I don't know how high up we are, but we definitely are higher up than we have been. And we're gonna go down our first new run.
We just kept getting higher and higher, and I was like, where's the top?
I have to pee.
Yeah.
I think it's because I'm nervous.
I do too, so we're gonna do our best to make it down, and
Oh
yeah,
my gosh.
use that as some motivation, I guess.
Sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Megan Cam
All right.
activated.
Let's go. All right, after a long day of skiing, how you feeling?
I think I have one more in me.
One more?
What do you think?
We going into the blues? Going to the top? All right, let's go.
Woo!
What's going on here?
Just having a little rest.
Oh yeah?
You know, I was going into this tree and it felt like it would be better to just sit.
Yeah, I would agree with that. Need some help up?
I think I can do it.
Yeah, I'll help. You're up.
I'm up. I've conquered the tree. I actually might be stuck. No, I'm going into the tree.
All right, we still got a little bit on the mountain left.
Yeah. I'm ready.
All right, we got this?
We got it.
We got this. We just wrapped up the final run here at Granby Ranch.
Hot chocolate by the fire.
And I'm pretty proud of us. We pushed ourselves and did some pretty epic runs. And yeah, tell us about your day.
We started the day doing the same runs that we learned on yesterday, and after doing those 4 or 5 times and feeling confident with our speed and our turns, we finally made our way over to a bigger run, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I can't actually believe that I did that. Very impressed. All right, Andrew, how was your birthday?
This has been an absolutely epic birthday. I've enjoyed every single minute of it. I can't believe I've waited this long to actually go skiing, try skiing out, but I am definitely sold on it. We'll definitely be doing it again. And hope you all enjoyed our our falls, our wins, our everything else in between. Let us know if you've been skiing, and if so, where at? Where's your favorite place? And we'll go check it out next time.
Wait, before you go, make sure you like this video if you stayed all the way until the end, and subscribe to our channel for the next big adventure. You all, I've literally never seen this much snow.
Join us next week as we trade the slopes for Garden of the Gods, one of the most incredible places we've ever seen. And watch us get stuck in a blizzard while we're there.